Welcome back to Acrylic Arts Academy. Today, we're diving into a festive holiday project, a Christmas wreath acrylic painting. This step-by-step tutorial is perfect for beginners and a fun way to get into the holiday spirit. Here are the supplies you'll need for this project. Pause here to gather these items, and come back when you're ready. To begin, squeeze out a few drops of gray, yellow ochre, and titanium white onto your canvas. Place them in a linear pattern, either as shown in the video or in your own random arrangement. Using a large, wet flat brush, spread the colors across the canvas. Don't worry about perfection, this background is all about texture and character. Allow your brushstrokes to flow naturally and enjoy watching the colors blend beautifully. Be sure to avoid overmixing the paint. This step creates that rustic, weathered look we're going for, like an old wooden door that's full of charm. If some areas look a little darker or lighter, that's perfect, embrace the uniqueness of your strokes. Next, use a detailing brush and burnt umber to add the plank details. Draw rough straight lines and fine, short strokes across the surface. Imagine the natural grain of wood as you paint, there's no wrong way to do this. As you work, take a moment to step back and appreciate the transformation. This background is setting the tone for your festive masterpiece. Rotate your canvas 90 degrees, and just like that, it starts to look like a rustic wooden door. Now, lightly draw a circle in the center of your canvas using a plate or bowl to guide your shape. Outlining the circle with a brush gives you the perfect base for the wreath. This is where your creativity shines. Complete the circle using black paint and a round brush while following the guideline. With a small round brush, create irregular leafy shapes around the circle, letting some of the background show through for texture. The darker green adds depth, while the light green brings your wreath to life. As you layer on the foliage, remember, nature is wonderfully imperfect, and so is art. Every stroke adds charm and personality. Use a liner brush to extend thin, leafy structures, making the wreath denser and more dynamic. Take your time here, there's something so satisfying about watching the greenery come to life. In the center of the bottom of the wreath, paint a red ribbon bow. This step is where the magic really happens. Add shadows and highlights for dimension. Picture the ribbon tied beautifully, adding warmth and cheer to your wreath. Scatter red berries around the wreath using crimson red and add highlights by blending in pink directly on the canvas. Think of these berries as little bursts of joy, they instantly brighten the composition. Add smaller yellow balls and white dots for variety and a snowy effect. These final touches make your wreath sparkle with holiday charm. As you finish, step back and take a look at your work. Isn't it amazing to see how far you've come in just a few simple steps? Your Christmas wreath is a unique creation, and it's filled with your personal touch. Thank you for joining us today for this festive painting project. If you loved this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more creative lessons. Seeing your work inspires us and our community. Happy holidays, and until next time, keep creating.